Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. 5 steps to good nutrition. Where to start? If you want to be healthy, and start not with the new year or even with Monday, but today. All you need is to set yourself up correctly and keep a charged assistant close at hand. Here are the first 5 steps to nutrition. Step 1. Make a list of what you eat this week. Be honest and write down every last piece of candy. Divide the list into 2 columns. Add harmful products to the right, semi-finished products and everything that contains chemistry. As useful, consider everything that has grown on the garden bed, and gave a cow with a chicken. And now the action. Eliminate foods from the right list from your diet. Forever and ever. And always keep a list of healthy foods close at hand. It will be useful to you more than once. Step 2. Make a menu for the week. If you eat at home, keep an eye on the contents of the refrigerator. It should contain only fresh and healthy products. And if you are a businesswoman and eat in restaurants, the waiter will always be happy to help you choose a dish that is healthy for you. And don't forget to photograph the contents of your plate. Photos come in very handy in the 5th step. Step 3. It is important to learn to eat at the same time. Set a reminder on your phone for meals. The body will get used to it and you will have a useful habit. Step 4. Your body is 70% water. And your body needs water, as well as sufficient air, at least 2 liters per day. Therefore, drink as much water as possible during the day, not just on an empty stomach or after an intense workout in the gym. Step 5. At the end of the week, make a list of what you eat. Use photos in the gallery. Continue to mercilessly remove unhealthy foods from your diet. Try to gradually eliminate fried, smoked, sweet and starchy foods. Minimize alcohol consumption and, which is very important, everything that can be classified as junk food, chips, crackers, etc. After working on yourself for 21 days, you are guaranteed to develop a habit of proper nutrition. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.